So do you think it's the ego, Sanjeev, that makes us stuck?
Yes, ego is one of the important factor which help us to make us stuck, because ego is connected with useless and unwanted thought,
Okay.
The right meaning of ego is to have a power to control, to make a separation, to feel superior, inferior. The ego try to help us to live into the thought of the past or the future. So ego is one of the obstacles.
So to dissolve the ego, you mentioned the word compassion.
Yes.
So how do we bring compassion and meditation together, and how does that work in meditation?
The final purpose of meditation, is to create a fragrance of love, compassion, forgiveness, But as long as we are holding back the thought of ego, we cannot have compassion, So the more we meditate, what happens? The more we move inside with the life force energy in the form of connecting with the breath, So the more we connect with the breath, because breath is a life force energy, so that will help us to disconnect from useless and unwanted thought of power, control, separation, isolation. Because ego is controlled from more useless and unwanted thought, the more we live into the thought of the past or the future. So the meditation dissolve our ego and it create a power of compassion, and that's what it is.
Cool.
Yeah.